Specialized in tailor-made safaris that are based on each client's individual needs, time scale, and budget to give you the very best value for your money, Churchill Safari's major goal is to ensure our clients' satisfaction and retention. In his own words, Sir Winston Churchill, for magnificence of beauty, for a variety of form or color, for profusion of brilliant wildlife on a vast scale, Uganda is truly the pearl of Africa. For the same sites, destinations, or our rich culture in traditional hospitality, let Churchill Safaris take care of you.